Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm here again to talk about the value of the Commonwealth scholarships. Well, there are some people who asked me, Annette, how much money do you get paid per month when you get the Commonwealth scholarship? Well, this depends on the location of your university. If your university is in London, then the price, the amount of the stipend, the living allowance you get is changing, I think, depending on the situation in the UK and all that. But for our year, people in London, we are getting I think 1,300 pounds around there, and then we are getting 1,116 pounds. That was 2020, 2021. And then for 2021 to 2022, right now, students in universities in London are getting 1,390 pounds per month. So just as their living allowances. And then students who are outside London are getting 1,133 pounds. So maybe in your year, maybe in the coming years, these prices will be increasing, slowly or slightly or gradually. So yeah, it won't be constant from my understanding, because even the prices of the things we do buy, the prices are increasing. So that's how much you get. And if you have your family, I think your first child is now getting about 490 pounds, your first child, and then the second child is getting about 120 pounds per month. Yes, if you're going with your family. Yes, so yeah, that's all. There are so many other benefits, that I'll be talking about, in the coming videos. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much, AnnetMaya. Bye.